All right, guys, welcome back. Today we have an Xbox Series S. Purchased it on eBay, paid $55 for it. The ad said that it had a bent HDMI port. You can see it's bent. I haven't tested it yet to see if it turns on. We can do that together. Okay, I get tone, fan spinning, light's not on, no light. There's the light. Okay, stays on. It's not flashing like that. That's just the camera. Okay, I'll call that good. It appears to be in really good condition. It has all four of the rubber feet on the bottom, which I've never seen on all of these that I've worked on. Never seen all four rubber feet. Most of the time they don't have any rubber feet, and it has not been opened. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up, replace the HDMI port, power it up, and see if we're got an easy fix here. And thanks again, guys, for watching. Please like and subscribe to videos. It helps the algorithm get this content out to more people. If you're enjoying it for entertainment, or if you're maybe learning something, drop a comment down below, and we can interact. So it's a little bit dusty in here. I'm just going to take it out and blow it out real quick, and then we'll be right back. All right, guys, we got it back here. It looks brand new again. It is a 1 terabyte model. So we'll go ahead and finish tearing this apart, get the board out, go into the microscope, and check out this HDMI port. Hopefully none of the traces are missing, but we'll find out here shortly. All right, guys, everything under here looks great. Clearly we're just a bit stretched out here. Yeah, you can see there, it's all opened up. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this port real quick. We'll get another one put on, and we'll do some testing. I'm gonna add some flux to the legs, add some flux to the pins, just to help this solder. We definitely don't want to rip any pads taking this thing off. I'm going to come from underneath the board with heat, 480 degrees, 100% airflow. I usually kind of start on the top up here, just start warming stuff up, kind of warming the entire area here. We want to warm this whole area because this board is going to start absorbing a lot of the heat from our gun. These boards aren't super thick, so they usually come off fairly easily. But we're just going to kind of start up here, and then we'll move underneath the board. We want to keep the heat moving underneath here, just kind of back and forth around in a little circle. You don't want it to just sit on one spot for too long. It is very hot. It can warp the board. It can damage the board on the bottom side. So we just want to keep it moving around, and we're just waiting for these legs to liquefy right in this area here. So once that happens, we will begin to remove the port. All right, so we got that off. I had to come from the top after a little while there. It wasn't really wanting to cooperate. So we're going to come right in with some more flux on these through holes. We're going to use the solder sucker to suck these out. I'm going to add some low melt solder to this first, though. It'll make it a lot easier for that solder to come out. We're going to check the pins. First couple look like they're a little bit to the left, but that's okay. Everything seems to be soldered correctly. We will do a partial reassembly on this and test. All right, guys, we're just going to get this thing put back together enough to test, and then we'll see how it goes. All right, we'll switch over and see if we have any video. I did add, I replaced the thermal paste off camera as well. Oh, there you go. So apparently they were in the middle of an update, which I am not on the internet. Okay. I don't think I've ever repaired one, and when it came to life, it was in the middle of applying an update. But I will get this thing put back together again. A short video. I think I've already done one recently of an HDMI port swap, but that's all I have right now. I do still have the PlayStation 5, but I don't have a donor, so I'm just hesitant to break into it and it be a no fix with me not having any parts to swap with, power supply, capacitors, anything like that. I mean, I do have capacitor books, but getting values and stuff like that, especially while doing a video, can be a little bit difficult. I do have another 1S that just came in today, and I also have some Series S consoles coming in, so I will be repairing those next. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.